Double L's goal has always been to try and provide a wide array of products to meet farmers' needs, various needs and problems that arise in agriculture. One of these recent developments is a partnership with a company out of the Netherlands called Mooij. You see it right here. They have developed, they specialize in agricultural storage solutions, ventilation systems, things like that. And they have recently developed and partnered with Lamb Weston this unit here called the Weight Watcher. Now, what this unit does, you install it inside of a potato cellar and you hang, it has its main component here is this load sensor here. You hang a bag of potatoes off of this and it sits on a tripod on top of your potato pile and will monitor weight throughout the season. It then uploads that data to a server where you can use either the smartphone app on Android or iOS, and you can use a web browser to access all of the data, and you can see trends over time. You know, what if you apply a certain chemical on this day, what happened to the weight loss on this day, and you can kind of watch those trends. It also features 3 other sensors. One of those is a CO2 sensor. We've found correlation between the amount of CO2 you have in a cellar to, you know, for example, a color of a French fry, for example, right? So making sure that you maintain quality standards throughout the season. Another sensor here is the humidity. Obviously, humidity plays a big role in the storage of potatoes and the storage life. And the third sensor is a temperature probe. This is inserted into the pile and monitors temperature of your pile over time. You'll need an active power connection. So what we'll do, we'll take extension cords from, every cellar's got power. You'll take extension cords up on the pile, and we'll take, depending on what you do, some people have Ethernet connections there. This does not have a Wi-Fi unit in it. So we have to have an Ethernet, a wired connection. So either we'll piggyback off their existing connection that they have at the cellar and let them do it, or we can set up a router if they have internet close by, and we'll pick up that router and then extend it into a receiver, which will then pipe in a wired connection. We've done that before. The easiest way is just to get a hotspot from a local, you know, Verizon or AT&T or anybody like that. To get a 4G hotspot, which picks up the cell signal and then you're able to plug in Ethernet connections, up to like 4 Ethernet connections into that one unit.